Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with another video. Anyway, today's video guys is basically about how I texturized my natural edges, as you can see. So yeah, that's basically what this video is about. I've been natural for almost 2 years now, and this is the second time I've done this. The last time I did, I think it was May, doing this and be like, oh, you're natural, why do you want to do that? Well, I felt like doing it, and it's my hair. I could do whatever I want to do to my to my hair. My hair is really thick, and sometimes when I want to have, like, it's not like I'm all crazy about laying down your edges and all. I couldn't be bothered. Half of the time I'm wearing a wig anyway, so but sometimes when I just want my edges to come out to play and, you know, actually sit. I mean, when you actually want your echo styler to actually work, you know, not just work for about an hour and then it coils up back. At least that's how my hair is. It coils up back and just knots up, and it's just a mess. Anyway, so yeah, I decided to do it, and I mean, his hair is going to grow back. Just give it like 2 weeks and my crappy edges are back. It's gonna grow out, and you know, so yeah, this is the second time I've done it. My edges didn't leave. Like, a lot of people are going to say, oh, say bye-bye to your edges, sister. You're gonna wake up one day and your edges will be on your pillow and all that. Anyway, yeah, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that now. I mean, why are you watching this video if you haven't subscribed to my channel? Please subscribe. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, and let's get right to it. So this is, my hair hasn't been washed for like a week or two. Anyway, so yeah, this is how my edges are looking. This is how my natural edges look. As you can see, they're all knotted up. I'm just putting on a cap just so it doesn't get to the texturizer doesn't get to the other part of my head, of my hair. I'm gonna put some Vaseline on it to protect my hair and my skin from texturizer, even though I'm only going to put it on for just like literally 5 to 10 minutes because I don't want it to take well. I just put some Vaseline all over that area regardless. Anyway, I'm also putting it on the other part of my hair just to protect my hair from the texturizer. Even though the texturizer, I'm just taking really small parts of my edges, just really small. As you can see, the other part of my edges are still left out. I'm not going to texturize them. I just want to texturize just the small bit of my hair. So if you wanted to do this is the best way to do it, to still protect your hair. Just give it 2 weeks. Your hair is going to grow back and your edges will be fine. Nothing is going to happen to your edges. So this is how I'm doing it. I'm just taking it bit by bit, just little tiny bits. I'm going to go ahead and add my texturizer. So I'm just going to put it just on the bits that I brought out. It looks like it's a lot, but most of it is just going on my skin. That's why I kept Vaseline to protect it. So yeah, I'm just putting it on those tiny bits that I brought out. That's what I'm doing. Just going to spread that everywhere. And I'm just doing that, putting it everywhere. Just going to spread it. That's how it's looking. Most of it is just on my skin because I just really wanted to avoid putting it on the better part of my edges. I just wanted it to be that front baby hair, the actual baby hairs sort of place. So that's what I'm doing. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and wash it with some shampoo. That's the Mega Growth shampoo, stimulating shampoo or something. It's just a shampoo that is good for when you have colored hair. Anyway, so yeah, this is how it looks after I washed it. I just left the texturizer in for like almost 10 minutes. It wasn't exactly 10 minutes. And that's how it looks. As you can see, it looks good, and most of my edges are still natural because I still want it to have that full texture in front. I didn't want it to be flat, so that's why I tried my best to protect my natural hair. So if you are thinking of doing this, this is the best way to do it. As you can see, the back of my hair still looks fine. I didn't touch the back of my hair. People always assume that you have to also texturize the back of your hair or something, but you don't have to texturize the back. Most people have really smooth hair at the back, but it's the front that is the issue. Anyway, yeah, so this is the way to go. I'm just gonna put my hair in a bun. I'm gonna go ahead and also use some gorilla snot to lay down my baby hair. Anyway, so yeah, that's it. So I'm done laying it down. I'm just gonna use a scarf to just secure it and just seal everything, and trust me, once you do that, it's not going to move. I only had that issue when my hair was still the normal natural texture like it was at the beginning. Once you put your edge control, it's just going to not be perfect. It's going to coil up back and it will be messy. So this is the way to go. Welcome to the family. If you're new, and please feel free to give me a thumbs up. I thought I saw something pass. Anyway, feel free to give me a thumbs up and comment and share your thoughts. For me, I'm gonna delete your comments. Nah, I'm just kidding. Just share me your thoughts. I haven't done this a lot of times. This is like the second time I've done it, and I like it. Like I literally left it for 10 minutes because I didn't want it to be all straight, and I still wanted my hair to be coily, so it didn't really do that much. As you can see, it's not like it's looking all straight and whatever, but this way the edge control is gonna stay longer. Even though I didn't use edge control, I used gorilla snot. Whatever you're using is going to last longer. Now if you have thick hair like mine and thick edges that just do not behave, this is your go-to. This is what you should do. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next. And also, if you are scared that you're going to lose your edges, this is the second time I've done it and nothing happened. My hair is fine. It's going to grow. In a couple of weeks, you're going to have your nappy edges back. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So that's it for this video today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Stay awesome. Bye.